So recently I have decided to fly my drone to take some nice images of a building site in my area, and I've noticed a big changes on the DJI Fly app, and I was really surprised and also was really happy with the changes. So the main change they did is added a couple of options on the main screen. As you can see here on this screen on my phone, you can see basically all recommended zones, quick transfer, and services. Basically services is based on DJI website. For quick transfer, it's quite handy if you, example, want to download all your images from your drone to your phone, so you don't have to hang about and struggle to find these options in the app. They put straightforward. It's a big button, you can't miss it, and it's really easy. You just click it and you'll be able to download all your footages from the drone to your phone. Another thing is basically, well, they put a new photo on the background, just to make it look big update. I wouldn't say this is big changes anyway. It's another big changes search, so basically you can search for any topics you want to look into. And example here, I clicked on search and it pop up an option for me before you fly, as you can see here, and basically it's straightforward. It's telling you all the tips, everything, and also all the fly restrictions around the area, which is really handy for you. Another thing is I've noticed here it says before you fly in England you must have an operator registration, and if you're gonna put your drone here, or let's say I have it with Mini 3 Pro, and you're gonna see here operator registrations, and you can click more, and here you go, you'll need to label your drone. It gives you a bit more details about what you need to do before you fly your drone, which is really good. It's really good tips from DJI. I think they made a good improvements here, and so far that's all the changes I've noticed on this new DJI application, and I think this is the best update they made on the app, and to be honest, I'm really happy with that. So apart from that, nothing has been changed. It's just everything's the same. Like if you're gonna click profile, you're gonna have same menu and same setting which they were before. So once again, it's nothing has been changed, just a little update and a little more information from DJI side. And yes, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up as well, and I will make a playlist dedicated only for DJI app. So we're gonna put everything what's related to DJI app. Example, if you're a newbie or you're new to drones and you want to learn more about DJI app, which I know some people might struggle, I'm gonna make a playlist and I'll try to explain everything detailed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next video.